Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder Tinder shot not win. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder shot not win, you should just go to settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this page you will search about Tinder app and you will enter. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. If it's not working, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Tinder and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.